Welcome to the video, Dropship.io and Wholesale2B, worth to use? Links to both platforms are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Let's dive straight into the comparison. First, Dropship.io is an all-in-one product research tool designed specifically for dropshippers looking to identify trending products and analyze market demand. It offers advanced product filters, competitor analysis, and niche insights, making it ideal for users who want to stay ahead of the curve. On the other hand, Wholesale2B is a comprehensive dropshipping platform that gives users access to over 1 million products from reliable suppliers. Wholesale2B streamlines the process by integrating with multiple e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay, and offers automated order fulfillment. When considering these platforms together, Dropship.io is great for those focused on in-depth product research and analysis. It's built for dropshippers who want to identify profitable items before committing to suppliers. Wholesale2B, however, is designed for those ready to take the next step into managing their store. It simplifies inventory management and supplier selection, offering tools to fully automate the back end of a dropshipping business. In terms of ease of use, Dropship.io is intuitive, but it's more tailored to those who are already familiar with the dropshipping model and want to fine-tune their product selection strategy. Wholesale2B is beginner-friendly, offering a more hands-off approach with its integrated fulfillment system. To wrap it up, Dropship.io is a valuable tool if you're focused on perfecting your product lineup, while Wholesale2B is ideal for those looking to automate and scale their operations. Depending on where you are in your dropshipping journey, both platforms can serve you well. Check out the links below to explore more about each tool and decide which fits your business needs best.